I am an XM collector.
I'm Gem Mint, and I am an XM Studios collector.
I am an XM collector.
I am an XM collector.
If you want the best, it's gotta be XM.
I am an XM collector.
I am an XM collector.
I'm an XM collector.
When we started XM Studios, our direction was to bring beautiful collectibles to the industry. Now, I'm bringing pop culture into collector lifestyle. We are actually bringing a piece of memory to the collectors. Why you buy one when you can invest in XM? When you invest in us, you own everything.